Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your most requested love and work forecast for July for Aries. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this reading is for you. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. And make sure to watch the July pick a card readings. I will try to link it up in the card somewhere here or in the comment section. And make sure to check out the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings also and pick a card readings for July also. So make sure to check that out. Let us see, Aries, how your month of July, theme of the month of July for Aries. Let's see. How the month? What is the theme of the month for Aries for July? Oh, okay. Theme of the month for Aries. Oh wow, so definitely this is an emotional month for you, Aries. I do feel that you are currently you're feeling like life has lost all hope, things could not get better, or things are not resolving right now. So definitely you are feeling like all is lost. When will things get better? But in July, there is a silver lining, there is a miracle coming for you, and all is not yet lost. So July will be restoring your hopes, Aries. So it is a great and a powerful month for you. Yes, an emotional month, because the sun is in Cancer, then it's moving in Leo, so you will feel like align with the hurt pride a little bit, Aries. But still this month your hopes will be restored. So all is not yet over, all is not yet lost. And look at that, the Page of Cups. So yes, emotional new start and emotional healing is gonna happen for you, Aries, in the month of July. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. The focus or the theme for the month of July is, emotional security and financial security. Look at that. Family is very important to you. Some of you are actually, you want to get married, settle down, or you will. If there were issues in the family, there will be healing happening. I do feel this is a month of healing, friends, for you, Aries. This is a month when you were broken, but you will be healed. You will be restored. You'll be made whole again. And King of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Also, you will feel right at home. You will feel very in control, in power at your work, at your career. So not only July will bring you success in your relationships, but July will also bring you financial success, a leadership role, you feeling in charge, in control of your life, you feeling like this king or this queen, that yes, finally you can do whatever you want, or you can achieve whatever you want. So you are like, phew. Whew, finally. So, yes, emotional happiness, financial happiness is coming for you. Your hopes will be restored, Aries. Yes, that's for sure. And a position of power, whether it is in home, family, or in your work and career, it is coming. Let's see for option. Oh my god, I'm always doing pick a card. So, your love life. So, it's better. I think it's important for you to see the pick a card reading for July, because I do feel it's important. Just go and check their love life for Aries in July. Okay, I am getting a lot of cards actually. Okay, yeah, see the transformation, death, Empress, Seven of Pentacles, the Chariot. Okay, my god, cards are coming out in clumps for you. I don't know why that's happening. I feel like a lot of things are happening for you, Aries. Aries, their love life in. Let me just shuffle the cards. Aries, their love life in July. The Lovers, the Four of Swords, love life for July, the Balance, the Temperance, the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Emperor, The Magician, the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. Oh my God, Aries, a lot is happening in your love life. Yes, I do feel that, in July first week, you're definitely coming out of a breakup or a long term relationship. You're trying to recover, trying to heal from a loss. It could be a loss. I feel it could be, it could be a financial loss you are recovering from. It could be any sort of a loss you are recovering, ending you are recovering from. And yes, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. But Aries, you are in the first week of July, you're definitely coming out of an ending, recovering from a loss. Maybe a financial loss, maybe you lost a relationship or a person or something. The Empress, yes, your focus is more on yourself, Aries. Your focus is on healing your mother issues, healing yourself, nursing yourself, taking much care, looking after yourself, looking amazing. That is your energy. Aries in the first week, but I do feel that the first week will go very quickly in your love life because your focus is more on self love rather than loving anyone. And even though there might be an ending or distance between two people right now, you are still waiting for that person to come back. So that's the glitch here. Aries, although you are focusing on yourself, you have moved ahead, but there is still somebody you are waiting for. You are counting on their number, you are waiting for their call. And I do feel this person is also watching your social media in the first week of July. So let's see what will happen in the second week. Yes, I do feel, finally the person you were waiting for, their patience will also break, and in the second week, you can expect this person to call you, to message you, and to contact you. Especially if this was a no contact, long distance connection or something which was over almost. This person is coming back again to talk with you. Yes, the world. Yes, if for some of you, you may also find somebody from another city and country, and very much different person from what you are actually. Like a choice in love is also there. So it is like for 50% of you, the past person is coming back. For 50% of you, the other 50%, two people are coming, the past and a new person. And this new person is from another city and country, living far away from you, and they are very different than the people you have dated. So, in the second week, there is more focus on love, there is more focus on memories, sharing. You will be, you'll think and talk about the past. You will think fondly of your past. You will be missing, they'll be missing you. So there is this energy. Hey, I missed you. Yeah, I missed you too, so let's kiss and make up. So that is a wonderful energy. Yes, and I do see your wishes coming true in the second week of July. So love is very intense, and whatever you wish for in the second week of July, friends, it will come true. I feel your person will message you, take you out, and patch up with you, kiss and make up with you in the second week. So it will be fun. For others, it is a new person coming, and you will feel very excited about it. So let's see the third week of July. I feel in the third week of July, your defenses are a bit high, Aries. You are more defensive and protective about yourself. So you got to stay balanced, and so does your person. Both of you are in your egos. The egos are high, the defenses are high. So the third week, you both need to stay patient and calm. And look at that Seven of Wands. Yeah, I do feel that your person wants to chase you. They want to, I don't know how to say this, but sometimes there is a power struggle going on. I'll be honest here, Aries. There is a power struggle going on in your relationship in the third week. Sometimes your person wants to lead and take charge of this relationship. The other times, you also want at the same time to take charge of the relationship. But I think you are right, Aries, what you want to do in this connection. But your person wants all the control. There is a power struggle happening in the third week. So you have to settle, you have to find a balance in it, friends. You have to, Aries. I don't know how, but yes, the star, yes. If you focus on love and emotions rather than ego, that is the key. Things will get better. Also, I feel like, some of you may find very creative people, so focus will be more on creativity, developing some writing, poetry, music, and all those kind of things. If this is a new person, you guys will be very telepathically connected, but still don't let your egos get in your love life. Yes, don't get your egos in your bed. That doesn't make a very pretty place. Never in your heart, at least. So let's see. So some issues may happen in the third week. So let's see your final week of July in love. Yes, definitely your person is trying to manifest you. They could be a twin flame, your ex-husband, wife, or your soul. Your husband, wife, or your soulmate. Yes, they are trying to manifest you, and they will be successful in the fourth week in getting you back. There is a lot of love happening. A lot of emotion and outpouring of emotions, things clearing up, everything settling, you falling in love, they committing to you. Yes, there is a chance of commitment, or you guys starting some joint ventures with your person, like starting a business with them, or finally moving in with them. Two of Wands, yes, you can finally count on your person, the in fourth on the fourth of the week of July. You can finally feel like, yes, they are dependable and you can count on them, even though they have some glitches. But who doesn't have glitches? Even iPhones, which are thought to be as completely perfect, but even they have glitches. So everyone has glitches. Let's see some advice, Aries. Conflict and defeat. Yeah, you feel defeated right now, friends. You feel like, you have tried your best, but you can't make this work. And you feel like the person you were with, they have left you, they don't miss you, you feel defeated. Also, there are ego issues, so you feel that also, conflict. But don't worry, your connection is still very, very strong. Listen to your third eye, listen to your intuition, listen to your heart, Aries. That is the key. 6 is the number of spiritual love, soul love, holy love. 5 is the number of change, positive change. Look at that. Another 6. 6 is the number for you, Aries. So yes, positive changes are coming. Harmony. Focus on harmony. Focus on what brings you together, rather than what are the differences in love. Share your heart. Express your heart, and that's important. And again, transformation, big changes. Yes, there are certain big changes for you, Aries, but I feel you are ready for it and you can do it. Let's see your work and career. And I bumped the camera, of course. And let's see your work and career for Aries. All right. This is a busy month for you, Aries. You're very busy. And justice, look at that. Yes. Yes, I do feel that, you are. If you. Okay, let me start first things first. If you are a student, Aries, get to work, get to study, because there is a lot of competition. You can't count on people around you. You can't even count on your friends. I'm sorry to say that, because competition is there. Everyone wants to win. Everyone wants to get that exam cleared or get the degree. So there is, competition, whether you are a student or a worker, or, you are a businessman or a businesswoman. There is competition in the month of July for you, Aries. Also, I do feel that, you were denied some sort of a promotion, or something was denied from you, Aries, since a very long time. Like, you were not given the. If you were working for a PhD, someone was not giving you or allotting you that PhD, or someone was not granting you a scholarship. So something was denied to you, like you were not getting that promotion, you were not getting that job, you were not being selected, promoted. So in this month, whatever you were denied, you will be actually given. It will be given to you. Yes, justice will happen. Things will go in your favor. For some of you, you may actually meet a lawyer, or somebody from law. You may start studying law also, or something like, like the laws which are like, copyright issues and all those kind of things. I do feel legal victories will happen for you. If your work and career is struggling with legal issues, you will win. Another thing is, whatever was denied, whether it is money, if like somebody cheated on your money, someone was not giving you payments, your payments were due, they were not paying you. Yes, they will pay now. Another thing is you'll be very, very successful in this month, friends. Yes, your promotions, you'll be going places. You will get a promotion. There will be success. Whatever you are working on, you will achieve. Even though there is competition, but still you will be the ultimate winner. You will be the ultimate victorious one. So don't worry. Also, you will have to. Another thing that's important in this July is Aries. You have to work hard. Why? Because there is competition. Another thing is people are watching you to promote you or something. So another pressure. Another thing is you have a lot going on in your love life also. So you have to balance your work and career. Some of you might start 2 jobs in July. So you are like, oh my God, where is time flying? So, yes, a lot of good things in July, but also you have to do things traditionally in July, which might, you may want to break free from tradition, but you have to do things traditionally, like follow the system. Advice, guardian angel. So, definitely your guardian angel is with you, Aries. So, take a moment now and make a wish for July. So, wish something for July for yourself, friends. Take a moment and on the count of three, make a wish. One, two, three. Perfect, and it will come true. Your guardian angel is with you, friends. They are watching you, they are protecting you, whatever you want. Like justice. Where is that card? That justice card. Whatever you pray for, it will happen for you. Whatever you are working for, it will happen. Let's see what else for Aries. All right, power and intention. Yes, I told you, you are very powerful, taking charge of your life, taking back control. You feeling your power, you feeling your intention that you can achieve anything. And look at that, you're very, very, very protected, Aries. You're very protected. So your hopes will be definitely restored, Aries, in July. So yes, you're very, very, angels are protecting you. The universe is protecting you. So wow, don't worry. But yes, this is an emotional month, and look at that, the emotions again. Lot of emotions for you, Aries. Almost like, and this reading almost is as emotional as the like I'm reading for water sign, but it's in fire sign. So yes, changes in your life are coming. Wind chime, peace and harmony is coming. Nest and emotionally secure, loving family is important. Yes, family is important. Some of you want to get married, some of you want to resolve issues in your marriage, or if you were disappointed in love, some hopes will be restored. Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. See, we made a wish, right? And yes, it will be granted. Yay, angels. And still you will not subscribe Magic Wednesday. I know that. Yes, I know that. It's all right, friends. It's not my loss. That's what I can tell you. May and October is important. And wealth, yes, money is coming your way. Ladder, you're climbing towards success. Absolutely. And see, horse, family is very, very important. Weds, yes, someone is trying to get in between you. I feel people are trying to get between you and your wishes, your goals. But again, you're protected, so you'll be the successful one. Tankard, friendships, celebrations, fun, and enjoyment. Some of you could be having, someone is getting married in the family, or your friends are getting married, so there is excitement, going out on dates. Peacock, yes, you're shining bright, Aries. And red, someone is working against you or behind your back. Be careful, yes, but don't worry. You have the angel protection. So that's it for now, Aries. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye-bye.